Build, measure, learn. A new business does not grow by guessing. It grows by testing. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries is a book about building a business in a smarter way. It teaches that a company should not spend years making a product before learning if people want it. Many new teams have a big idea. They plan for a long time. They build many features. They spend money, time, and energy. Then they show the product to real people and learn that customers do not care enough to use it. This book says there is a better way. Start small, test fast, learn from real people, then improve. The book is mostly about startups, but its ideas can help many people. A startup can be a new company, a new project, or a new idea inside a larger group. The key point is this: when the future is not clear, learning quickly matters. In this video, Chapter Clarity explains the book in an easy-to-understand way. It does not replace the book. The full book or audiobook may be found through the links in the description. The first main idea is called validated learning. This means learning from real proof, not just from hope. A team may believe people want an app, a toy, a tool, or a service. That belief is only a guess until customers take real action. Real action may mean signing up, paying money, using the product, or asking for more. The Lean Startup says a business should test its guesses as early as possible. For example, a team may think busy parents want a meal planning app. Instead of building the full app first, the team can make a simple sign-up page. Then they can see if parents actually join. That test gives clearer answers than a long meeting. People may say they like an idea, but their actions matter more. A kind comment is nice. A real sign-up is better. A payment is even stronger proof. Validated learning helps a team avoid waste. It keeps the team from building things no one needs. The second main idea is the build, measure, learn loop. This is one of the well-known ideas from the Lean Startup. Build something small. Measure how people use it. Learn what to change next. The goal is not to build a perfect product right away. The goal is to learn what customers truly need. A small version of a product is often called a minimum viable product, or MVP. This does not mean a bad product. It means the simplest version that can help the team learn. For example, a company may want to create a full online store. Before building every page, tool, and feature, it may test one product page first. If people click, sign up, or buy, the team learns something useful. The MVP saves time because the team does not build too much too soon. A simple test can answer a big question. Do people want this? Will they use it? Will they pay for it? Can this idea grow? The book teaches that learning should happen in a steady cycle. Build, measure, learn, then repeat. Each cycle should make the idea clearer. The third main idea is to measure the right things. The book warns against numbers that look good but do not help much. These are often called vanity metrics. A vanity metric may make a team feel proud, but it may not prove the business is working. For example, a video may get many views, but few people may subscribe. A website may get many visitors, but almost no one may buy. An app may get many downloads, but most people may stop using it after one day. Big numbers can look exciting, yet they may hide the truth. The Lean Startup says teams need numbers that help them make decisions. These may include how many people return, how many people pay, how many people tell a friend, or how many people use the product more than once. Good numbers help a team see what is really happening. They also help the team ask better questions. Are customers staying? Are they happy enough to come back? Does this product solve a real problem? When the numbers are honest, the team can stop guessing and start learning. The fourth main idea is to pivot or persevere. After testing an idea, a team must choose what to do next. If the idea is working, the team may keep going. This is called persevering. If the idea is not working, the team may need to change direction. This is called a pivot. A pivot does not mean the team failed. It means the team learned something. For example, a team may build a tool for teachers, then learn that students need it more. The team may change the customer. Another team may create a game, then learn that players only like one small part of it. The team may build around that part. The main point is not to quit too early or hold on too long. A team should use real evidence to decide. The book also teaches that speed alone is not enough. Moving fast only helps if the team is learning the right things. A team can be busy every day and still move in the wrong direction. Smart work means testing the riskiest guess first. That guess might be whether customers care, whether they will pay, or whether the product can actually help them. This idea from the book is shared briefly for educational purposes. A startup's job is to learn what creates value before spending too much time building the wrong thing. In wrapping up, The Lean Startup is about testing ideas before wasting time and money. Its main takeaway is simple. Do not build a huge product based only on hope. Start with a small test. Watch what real people do. Use honest numbers. Then decide whether to keep going or change direction. The book shows that mistakes can be useful when they teach the team something real. A startup does not need to know every answer on day one. It needs a clear way to learn, build, measure, and learn. That short idea is the heart of the book.